You're reading a paper on Nature. You find 3 relevant citations, switch to Google Scholar, and find 5 more papers. Now you have 8 browser tabs open, but no idea which ones you've already saved. And what you need is a way to capture papers as you find them before you lose track. Let me show you how the Paperpile browser extension does exactly that. Save and organize your references in one click without breaking your research workflow. Let's start with the basics. So first, you'll need to install the Paperpile browser extension from the Chrome Web Store. Once it's installed, pin it to your toolbar so it's always visible. Now, as you browse, Paperpile becomes part of your normal workflow. Let's go to a journal article. I'm on the journal webpage here, and you'll notice a green triangle has appeared on the Paperpile button. That means Paperpile has detected reference details on this page. I'll click Save to Paperpile, and the reference is added to my library. If the PDF is available, Paperpile will also download it automatically, so you're not downloading files manually, you're just saving papers directly into your library, and they're available across your devices in your Paperpile account. With the browser extension, you'll find that the button works across thousands of academic websites and all major academic publishers like Springer, Elsevier, PLOS, as well as preprint servers like Archive. When you click the Paperpile button, you can organize the paper straight away. In the pop-up, you'll see folders and labels. So I'll drop this into a folder as something like literature review and add a label like methods. If you're searching for literature on a particular aspect of your project, you can pin a folder or label. So everything you save goes there automatically without you selecting it each time. You can also add a quick note here, just something like use for methodology or check this later. It helps you remember why you saved a reference. Now when I go back to my library, it's already saved. If we head to search engines like Google Scholar or PubMed and perform a search, you'll see Paperpile buttons next to each result, so you can save directly from the search results. All you have to do is click the Paperpile button here and the paper is saved instantly. Now if you want to save multiple papers at once, click the plus on each Paperpile button and it turns into a checkmark. Select all of the references you want, choose the destination folder in the extension pop-up, and save them all together. Now this is perfect for when you run a search and find 5 relevant references in one go. You can even click Select All to save everything on the results page. This works on literature discovery tools such as ResearchRabbit, Consensus, and Connected Papers. So wherever you're finding references, Paperpile brings them in to one place. If you want to move a little bit faster, you can open the extension settings here and turn on one-click import. And with that enabled, clicking the Paperpile button just saves the reference straight to your library with no pop-up. You can also use shortcuts. Press Enter on Windows or Return on Mac to save a paper to Paperpile. Press L to choose a folder or label, and press M to add a note. If you save something by mistake, you can just delete it from the pop-up. But what if you save a reference that doesn't have a PDF? Well, Paperpile will automatically search for it, and if a PDF is missing, you just click Add PDF, find PDF online, and Paperpile will find it for you. You can also do this for multiple references at once, so if you've just imported a batch of papers, Paperpile can go through and find the PDFs for you in one go. That's the Paperpile browser extension, which you can use to save papers as you go and organize them as you find them.